Hey, what's up, everyone? Today we're going to talk about market close here on the first trading day of the year. Overall, macro markets still a lot weaker. S&P, Dow, all blood red today. Commodity sector as well. As you can see, March corn down 8 today. Traded lower. Just general commodity weakness. Inspections still well below the implied rate, and beans, follow suit. March beans down 31 and 3/4. A lot of that, I think, there's some beneficial rains down in Brazil, down in Argentina. Some of those problem dry areas got some relief as of late over the weekend. News kind of hitting the market there. Let's just go over these inspections here. Still just disappointing overall. This week in corn, we saw 26.3 million bushels. Trade was estimating a 26 to 35 million bushel range, so definitely on the bottom side of that. Beans, looks like numbers came below the estimates. Beans came in 53.8 million bushels. Looks like 55 to 69 was the range there. As far as pace needed, per week we're at a 48.5 on corn, 28.4 on beans. So beans are hanging in there. Corn is not, as we've seen. Just cash markets remain strong in my area through the Midwest. Boards remain pretty stable, pretty stable here. As you can see here in the beans. We've had a pretty good rally here. Maybe a good time to sell some new crop. Let's take a look at the corn here. Corn, as you can see, since harvest, we had those levels just under $7 cash. We kind of got up there to 680 level. At this time, a lot of cash values were 30, 40 under, had a lot of river problems. So we've just been in this $6.50 to $7 cash trade for a while. Farmers remain patient, not much physical movement. Basis values steadily remain firm, if not inching upwards here. River values still out of the market. I'd say some of the sales get on maybe March, and we need some moisture, as well to help those river values. But other than that, just a kind of a negative tone of the market. A lot of the trade nowadays. A lot of tax implications, planning for the year. So nothing too crazy. Next week, the big WASDE report. We get the crop report, production numbers final. So I don't know if we see any big surprises there, but overall, red close the week, and hopefully we see some potential movement here. As far as my position, the rural investor, 0% sold on corn, beans, and wheat. I've been thinking about some call spreads to reduce risk. Been purchasing of puts, but not still kind of filling out my cost production on my operation. I've about 50% of my crops in wheat this year. Let's see, about 40% corn, 10% soybeans. So we'll see what goes on there. But as far as that goes, see ya next time.